Hey guys, this is Mr. Stafford, and I'm just sending you guys your video for the end of the week. Thursday is 4, 5, 6, and Friday is 1, 2, 3. So make sure if you're in those class periods, you're accessing the YouTube video and the exit ticket, as well as we're completing our packet this week, or excuse me, these days, and that needs to be turned in as well. So here we go. As always, if you're confused or you have any questions about the schedule, here it is. Your independent times are still there. Your class periods are broken down. Remember, you can access my class at any time on YouTube, just in case you've got stuff going on and you aren't able to make the call. That's why I don't do the Zooms, is so that you guys have the ability to access this when you can. So just make sure you're getting it done. Again, what social studies is looking like every other day, you'll be checking into social studies. No more A and B days, remember, okay? So there's also no more check-in on teams that counts for the attendance. We got rid of that a couple of days ago. Now you just have your daily YouTube video. It's going to give you the instructions, directions for the class period. And then you'll have that exit ticket that will be a small grade, and it's going to be used as your attendance. So make sure you get this done, not only for the grade, but because otherwise you will be marked absent. All right, updates. We're coming to the end of the grading period. We've talked about this over and over again. All work must be turned in on Friday or it will not be graded. So if you don't like your grade right now, this is your last chance to get it done. This includes the packet that we're currently working on. This includes all of the makeup work that you've maybe wanted to redo. And then lastly, this also includes missing work. If it's not in by midnight on Friday, December 11th, regardless of your first, second, third, fourth, or sixth periods, it will not go into your grade, and your grade will be final on Friday if you did not turn anything in. All of it will be graded next week, though. So I'll let you know when your grades are final. But if you turn something in, the packet or any of this missing or makeup work, it'll be graded over. I'm not going to grade it over the weekend. I'll grade it next week. For today, we're talking on Thursday. That's the 10th, and Friday the 11th. Remember, Thursday is 4, 5, 6. Friday 1, 2, 3. So we're finishing up that packet. The last page, the War of 1812 gallery walk. You're going to be completing the boxes, and I'm going to explain what those boxes need to say in just a moment. Before we get too far into this, today's keyword is snow. Remember to complete the exit ticket for attendance and a grade. This is the word that you need to type in. Make sure it's close to spelled correctly so that I know that you saw this. And then let's keep going so that you can know what you're doing for today. So we have this War of 1812 gallery walk. Normally we do this in class, but because obviously we're on distance learning, we're not able to. So there's a couple things that you're going to do. First, reread all the sections of the document. Make sure the answers that you're going to write down are in complete sentences. That's pretty much the end of the instructions. What you're going to do is provide 3 facts about each section. These can be any facts directly from this document that you find interesting or that you think are important. At the bottom of the, on the bottom left of the document, there's something called the picture description. It includes the sections of 1A through 5A. It looks like this right here. Okay, picture description 1A, 2A, 3A, 4A, 5A. Leave those blank or cross them out. I don't care. Because we're not doing it in class, we're not able to see the pictures. So you can ignore these 5 little boxes right here, but the other boxes will be filled with 3 facts from your reading. If you have any questions, remember you can text, you can call, you can email, and you can message me on Teams about anything regarding this class or this packet in general. All right, because we're done today with your packet, it means it's due today and it needs to be submitted. Okay, so when you're done with the packet, please take pictures of it, finished it, and submit it on Teams in the assignment. I will not grade this. Okay, I'm not going to grade this packet if it's emailed or texted to me. Okay, it needs to be submitted to Teams. Everyone has access to Teams or has the ability through the school to have a computer, so it needs to be posted onto Teams. And I'm not going to grade it if it's in the post area of the teams. Make sure it's in the assignment. Make sure it's in the assignment. Make sure I can see the work that you're providing. It should not be blurry. I don't need it like up close and personal, but I need to be able to see that it's done. I need to be able to verify that you've completed the work. The due date for this assignment is Friday, December 11th, and it will not be graded if it's turned in late. Okay, this is the one assignment that I will not accept late, so make sure it gets turned in on Friday. Again, if you have questions, you got to let me know. If there's just something going on and you have an emergency, you've got to get in touch with me, or I'm not gonna grade it. So just to hit it all home, okay, all work must be turned in by Friday or it will not be graded. This includes the packet, the makeup work, the missing work, and I'll grade it all next week. Make sure I let you guys know your grade is final. If you have any questions, please let me know. Remember, my phone number is 775-476-2627. You can text it, you can call it, you can email me at lstafford@washoschools.net, or you can message me on Teams. It all works for me. I hope you guys have a great weekend. Remember, the exit ticket word, the key word of the day is snow. So please make sure you get that in as well. Have a great weekend. Stay safe. And remember to check in on Monday for the last week of instruction. Hope you guys have a great weekend.